my channel where I help excite people about plant-based food, and today I'm doing a vegan cheese taste test of Vevan vegan cheese because supposedly these are Wisconsin cheesemakers making vegan cheese. So if they're the experts, I want to put it to the test to see if they actually taste good. So we're gonna be trying mozzarella on a pizza bagel and cheddar cheese on a grilled cheese, because of course you have to. And then afterwards, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the benefits of ditching dairy overall. So let's get to this. So to test out the mozzarella, I'm going to make a pizza bagel and I'm going to put it in the toaster oven to see if it melts on the top. Now I'm going to brush jalapeno olive oil on the bread for a jalapeno cheddar grilled cheese. Yum! And since we want this to be super cheesy, I'm going to add 3 slices of cheese because I want to see if this thing is going to pull apart. This cheese kind of breaks easily. Look at that crispy cheese crust! Okay guys, the moment of truth, the best part, the cutting. So it doesn't really pull apart, but it's super melty, so that's a good sign. But that is not one bad looking grilled cheese. Ooey gooey. Okay, now for the best part, the taste test. I can't get over how orange and gooey this looks. Like, it is unreal. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. This is a grilled cheese I have not had in a very long time. Oh my goodness. This is the closest to cheddar flavor that I've tasted in a vegan cheese. Those Wisconsin cheesemakers should be proud. Okay, now time for my pizza bagel. It didn't really melt a whole lot. It melted a little bit, but you can still see like the full shredded form. Yeah, I was hoping for that crispy, bubbly cheese effect, but no. In the end, it's still not real cheese. But let's try it. This is really good. I've been on this hunt for vegan mozzarella because I need that neutral flavor, not a weird processed flavor. And some of these vegan cheeses taste like plastic. This is the winning contender so far in the running. I'm excited to experiment with it later. There is a trick I heard you can do that if you spray some oil on top of this, it'll give it that burnt cheese flavor. So you guys are probably wondering, where do you buy this new Vevan vegan cheese? I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below of where you can purchase it. This is the first time I've ever tried it. I'm not being sponsored or anything. I genuinely wanted to try it because it just came out this year. I think in March they released it. If you're not vegan and you're watching this, you're like, okay, why am I gonna want to eat vegan cheese? Let me tell you of some of the adverse effects that dairy can have on your body. Number 1, if you have an acne problem, get rid of dairy like now. When I started switching to soy milk and eating less dairy, my skin cleared up so much. The reason for that is because acne is an inflammatory problem. 2, your digestion will significantly improve. Again, bottom line, cheese is very inflammatory, so it inflames your digestive tract. There's a reason doctors always tell you to avoid dairy when you're sick because it's mucus building. On my transition journey, I know that when I stopped eating eggs and cheese, and I would go months without eating it. And let's say I would like, okay, I'm gonna eat a piece. It's been a while. I'm sure it's not gonna do anything to me. I would instantly feel like phlegm or mucus in my throat. And I was like, really? Just from one egg? Like, ladies, if you're out there and you have bad menstrual cramps, mine reduced significantly when I stopped eating dairy. So that's a plus. You guys should go one bit at a time. If you're new to this whole vegan cheese thing, I would recommend this brand. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and let me know in the comments what other products you want me to review. If you're new to my channel, I try to excite people about plant-based eating through travel guides, food reviews, recipes. So if you're someone who's transitioning into it, that's something I really want to focus on, is encourage and get people excited to try new plant-based foods. And yes, some of it is not that good, but most of it is amazing. And you will not look back. That is what I'm trying to do with this channel. Let me know what you guys want to see. Well, hope you guys like this. Bye.